Hi guys, so today I thought I would vlog a little bit of my day because I've actually started, well I haven't started yet, but I'm going to start packing for Australia now, and I just thought I would vlog a little bit of it and show you guys a little bit. You guys can help me out. Don't know how you're going to do that because you're on the camera, but I don't know, I just thought it'd be a little bit of fun. So this is the suitcase that I'm going to be taking. This one is from Primark. As you can see, it was £30. Kind of liked this one. I kind of wish they had like a pearly pink, but they didn't have any, so I just opted for this one. I'm going to be taking this one, and I'm going to be taking a little one as well, like a hand luggage one, which is like polka dot, so I'm going to be taking that too. I don't know what sort of handbag to take, or whether I should just take one, or whether I should take two, or... But yeah, I mean, we just got a parcel, so I'm just going to open it with you guys and show you what it is. I'm not sure what it is, so we'll have a look. I'm just going to sit you somewhere. Also put my dressing gown on because I'm in my boyfriend's t-shirt, so 1 second. Got one for Ayse and one for me. What is this? I don't even know. Oh, well, it says Kilpatrick. Have a look. Oh, okay, I remember now. Yeah, this company reached out to me asking if I wanted to get sent a couple of their stuff from like different brands. So it says, Zeliha as promised, please find a pro brush cleanser and dryer enclosed alongside products from some Shy Iceland hair care lashes from Ardell. Enjoy, Emma. Oh, thank you so much. Let's have a quick look at what we've got then. Okay, so we've got some Ardell lashes. Lovely. I love Ardell lashes, so that's kind of cool. I wear extensions at the moment, but they're cool. Oh, a skin hangover kit. That's cool. I was not expecting this. This is so cute. Coconut oil. You guys know how I feel about that. Okay, plumping lip gel. Makeup brush cleanser. It's handy. Oh, these are my favourite lashes. These are the Ardell Wispies. These are amazing. I love them. So thank you so much for them. And another pair. Oh, perfect. So I've got two of them. Okay. And another pair. Thank you so much. Some more argan oil stuff, which is great. Got a coconut oil one. So they're all hot oil hair treatments. So that's really cool. So I've got one coconut one and then the rest argan oil. Guessed it. Some more Ardell Wispies. And another argan oil hair mask. And then this beauty, which is the Style Pro Cleanse and Dries. That's so cool. Maybe I'll try it later and we can test it out. That's so cool. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. I wonder if Ayse's got the same. Probably. I'll see it later, so I'll take it with me later. Because it's actually Kyra, which is our best friend. It was her birthday yesterday. And she doesn't know, but there's a surprise birthday meal for her today. So we're going to be going to that later. So I'm sure I'll bring you guys along. But thank you so much for those. That was a nice little way to start my morning. Don't mind my hair, it's super greasy at the moment. Need to wash that. It's such a nice day today, and I'm just sat at home, which is really annoying. But to be honest, usually on my day off I don't like to do anything anyway, so right, so let's put some of this face mask on, and I just put it on a little bit there, and there. I'm gonna have a little look and I'll get back to you and see how far I've come on.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily.
Just gonna finish editing a video. I'm just doing the description because I always edit the videos and I always do the description. Ayse's slowly she's getting into it, so hopefully she's going to be doing it as well as me as well, because that would be handy dandy. I don't know if you guys know, like obviously you know we do YouTube and that. The window's open if you can hear all that racket. Obviously you guys know that we do YouTube and that, but I don't know if you guys know that we actually work full time. Well, we work 5 days a week, so this is like a sort of on the side thing. So it's sometimes it's just so frustrating and so like hard because we can't put as much, like not effort, but like we can't put enough sort of time into this as much as we want to, which is so annoying because obviously this is what we love to do more, and it seems like we spend more time in our job, which is so annoying. Has anyone else tried these? They're so nice and so addictive. Damn. Here's my new bag. I got it from Zara. $29.99.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are? We always say.
So I'm now going to put a wash on because that's what I do. I'm just going to get the rest of the stuff that needs to go in the wash. So Ben's clothes that he just dumped on our floor, which is really nice of him. Oh, a random sock in this corner. Thank you, babe. So I've just made my little snack, which is pomegranates and toffee yogurt, which is absolutely amazing. If you haven't tried it, you definitely need to. It's so good. So I'm just gonna go upstairs and watch a movie. I know it's so bad. I was meant to be packing. I mean, can I do it later? Is that all right?
Well, actually, Lucy wants to become a doctor.
Well, boys' classes would make nice electives.
Not much time for that. We're looking at a double major in biology and chemistry if she wants to get into the best med school.
Okay, so my outfit for tonight is this top from Zara. These are my Topshop jeans, my Primark shoes, my Zara coat, and my Zara new bag. So yeah. Now we're going to get Ayse and then go to Kyra's mill. Let's go. Yeah, Ben's not actually invited to come, so Kyra doesn't obviously like you. JK, he doesn't actually know. No, sorry, she doesn't actually know that we're going. It's a surprise for her. So this is going to be quite cute. So I'm just in the car. Ben's offered to give me a lift.
Hi, my name is Cork. I'm made of rocks. No need to be afraid of me unless you're made of scissors.
That's from the Avengers, isn't it?
Nah, Thor.
Oh, but that is so cool though. Ah, this car's gonna think I'm taking photos. Ah, he probably did. That's so embarrassing. Oh well. Yeah, so we're now gonna go pick up Ayse from work because she finishes work at 8, as I said earlier. Yeah, so she's at work, and then we're gonna go straight over to, I don't even know where it is. I don't know. I'll tell you when I get there.
Okay then. See you shortly.
See you shortly.
Bye.
There she is. Go. Who's that? What's she doing? What are you doing? Right. I've got my jacket. Guys, so I'm now back home, and yeah, it was a really good meal, and it's really late now, so I don't want to vlog inside. Ben's just tapping on his phone and everything, so I've got some light, but I'm gonna leave the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Smash it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments down below if you have any, and we will catch you in our next video.
It's like
Thanks
one of
for
those
watching.
motel things, you know, when you're staying in a motel and it's like the light keeps flashing on outside, like saying no vacancy and stuff.
No, I don't know that.
Okay, it's more like a freaky
Anyways,
circle.
we're gonna say bye, babe.
Bye, babe.
Bye. Bye, guys.